Hi YouTube, Happy New Year. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my subscribers who have been watching my videos and enjoying my videos. I'm glad that you're enjoying my videos. Today I want to do an unboxing of a bag that I purchased right after the holidays. It was during the 25% extra 25% off the prices, even the sale prices. So today I want to do a video and do that unboxing today because this was purchased at the end of December and I'm just now getting the bag. So yeah, that was my first experience with the back orders with Dooney. Actually, after I purchased the bag and then I saw that it was back ordered and it showed that it was in stock, I got a little confused. And so I began to search the internet and search the channels and see if anyone else had this experience. And I see that a few other people have had this experience. However, as I kept watching the item and then I called Dooney to find out what was going on, they said, oh yes, the item is in stock and we're going to be shipping the item. And I'm like, but it says that it's canceled and that it's back ordered. I'm not quite understanding what's going on. So they continued this to reassure me that everything was fine with the order. And then I checked back and then saw that the actual order was canceled, as if the order didn't go through. It just said not shipped, because at first it said released, and you know, blah blah blah. The ins and outs of how it goes with Dooney. So now it is January 15th, and I ordered this bag right at the end of December. So it's been 15 days. I've been waiting on this bag to arrive. So it has arrived just in time for my birthday. So I like to share that unboxing with you guys right now. Alrighty, I'm trying to talk a little lower because I'm noticing that my audio is a little loud, even when I'm not even talking loud. I'm pretty much a soft-spoken person, but I'm noticing that my phone is really picking up the sound very well. So here we go. I wanted to wait to unbox it. At first I was just going to unbox it and just say, well, no. I said, no, I can do a video. This is my last purchase of 2019. So I want to share it with you guys. Alrighty, here we go. Alrighty. So we have the packing slip. And here's the bag. It is Florentine small satchel in the color Slate. I am so curious to see. This says quantity 239 out of 330. Not understanding why it was on back order. And I could tell before I even open up the package, this Florentine is not smooth at all. Not like my black, not like the black small Florentine or the burgundy, the Bordeaux, the Super Hobo in Bordeaux. You can already tell. This is like a gray color. It's very pebbled. I don't know if you could tell the color. I don't think I'm bothered. I mean, I know I've heard people talk about, oh, this has that panel. I've heard people talk about the pebbling on the Florentines, and I'm okay with the pebbling. I just didn't expect this to be this pebbled for a Florentine bag. I'm trying to get the full color. I don't know if the lighting in here is not giving me. Let me see if I could put some more light on the situation. I don't know, that might make it worse. Oh no, that made it a little worse. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that light off. It's too much. Please forgive me, guys. Okay. I guess it is. You could really see the color. This is nice. I really like this size. It's gonna have to grow on me. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna return this. Pebbles, leather, and all. I might just keep it. I'm under. I see that it has that new panel on the bottom. It doesn't feel as heavy. The strap is intact. It's not a return. It smells so good. You know what? I'm gonna go get my black leather one. I should have probably got it before I started this video, but hold on one moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, this is the black. And this is a smooth. And I've worn this bag. Boy, have I been wearing this bag. I need to get those things to make it. I don't like those curled up. But I have been wearing this bag. And this is smoother compared to this one. I don't know if it's the color. Let's see at the back. I can tell the color now. This definitely is like a bluish gray. The black has a little bit more sheen to it than this one. And this is the original Florentine with the green suede. I love the red zipper. The red zipper is really nice. Nice touch. These are green on the inside. Now this bag was $3.98. This is the Slate. And I got this for $2.37 after the sale. I think it was. $2.37. I'm liking her more and more than I'm looking at her, even though she's pebbled. It could be the glare from the light. This is nice. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you have the rest of your new year is awesome. Hope to see you again soon. And again, I'd like to thank everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to see more videos. I'm not sure if I'm going to add more content to it besides handbags. I think I might be, but I'm not totally decided yet. But this is nice. I'm always trying to end my videos. And then here you go. This definitely looks wider. Then the black looks wider. Oh yeah. Definitely different. Okay, that's enough of that. Maybe I'll do a what's in my small satchels. I'm not taking the paper off until I'm fully sold on her. Because when I first bought this one, this bag followed me around everywhere I went, even if I was in the house. I know people thought, my mom thought I was crazy. She just kept laughing at me. She's like, what's with the bag? I'm like, I don't know. It keeps following me around. It just smells so good, and it just keeps following me around the house. When I'm in the office, I'm working, it's there. So that's it, guys. Have a good holiday. MLK Day. I share a birthday month with him. I'm so happy for my new purchase. Thank you, guys. Stop by and see me again. We can talk. Bye.